we are here at our final gym here in Cancun. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tour, show you a couple workouts. Let's check it out. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you want to see more from us, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So far I see they have the two Stairmasters separate from each other. Cardio leading into the gym and weights. So far what I've seen of this gym is that this is the only gym out of all the gym we've visited that has only one story, so one floor gym. It has weights and cardio just like all the other gyms we visited. It also has the Stairmasters, so really happy about that. All the gyms we visited, all 6 here in Quintana Roo, all have Stairmasters for cardio, which is my favorite. So I've enjoyed being able to use every single one of them at every gym. Really a big plus for me. This gym in particular is in a really nice building with some other nice shops and stores and even doctor's offices. There's also a huge Walmart right across on the other side of the roundabout just in front. It has a really nice view. It's on the top floor of a high building, so there's a nice overlook and it's almost sunset time, so we're enjoying some nice colors, but it's really nice. Even though it's only one story, it still has a really nice vibe, really nice equipment, and a nice view, so that's definitely a plus. Just like all the rest of them, really nice, and so far I can say officially that every single gym is really good and is definitely approved by me. So. Make sure to follow our social media accounts, where we'll be posting more content related to this YouTube channel. So out of all of the gyms, this is actually the only gym, our final gym here in Cancun, where they actually have a security. The security is for the building, but you need to sign in so you can even get into the gym. There is security, of course, at every single gym entrance, just like any normal gym, where you have to have a membership and they scan you in, all of that. So we're now sneaking into the gyms, but I have to say now that we're finally finished. We saw all of the gyms here in Quintana Roo that are part of this gym club, I guess you could say, this company. So yeah, so far, so what I would say is all of them were excellent. I enjoyed every single one, 10 out of 10. They were all a little bit different, but all the same idea. So that's it. Hope you enjoy all the gyms that we got to show you. Hopefully you got to enjoy all of the gyms that we showed you, the 3 in Playa del Carmen, the 2 in Cancun, and the 1 in Tulum, all part of the same gym. That's a wrap for us, and we're gonna head back to our home gym in Tulum, but I hope you guys liked what you saw, and these are some pretty nice gyms here in Mexico. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up like button down below, and thanks so much for doing that in advance. Also, if you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave those down below in the comment section. If you have any suggestions for future videos that you'd like to see, leave those as well in a comment down below. I'll get to those as soon as I can. Don't forget to share this video on social media with friends.